Akhil Srivastava, teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT. Trigonometry chapter I was teaching introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Today you will see continue the exercise 8.3, question number 3. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, find angle A. Find angle A, tan 2a is given, so you can write tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So tan will be cot. You can write tan as a cot. Then cot 90 minus 2a, where both are acute angles 2a and this. Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. You can write because tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot. So tan will be cot, means it will be subtracted from 90. Both the side cot, so both the cot will be compare. Therefore 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Transpose it simply. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. 9 plus 1, 10, 108 is equal to 3a. Then a is equal to 108 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 is 18. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 3 6 is 18. You are getting 36 degree. So angle A is equal to 36 degree. You are getting the answer. Very simple. Highlight it. Question number 2 is given. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given. If tan A is equal to tan B, then prove that angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. You write down what is given. Tan A is equal to cot B, not tan B. So any one you change. Cot B or tan. Tan is here given. That side you can write. Therefore tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B. Why here tan? Because I am changing cot into tan. Cot will be tan, then the angle will be subtracted from 90. So tan 90 minus B. Both the side tan. So you can write angle A is equal to 90 minus B. Transpose it. Therefore A plus B is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. What you want? Very simple. 2 line, 1 line and 2 line questions. Question number 5 is given here. Question number 5. What is given 5? If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. A minus 20 degree. Where 4a here, cosec 4a and is an acute angle, find angle A, like the third question. Very simple. What will you get? If you know the formula 90 minus theta, so sec 4a you can write or sec will be cosec. Then it must be subtracted from 90. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. I have told you it is acted. 4a is acting as a theta. So 90 minus theta, the sec is given, then it's just opposite cosec you will write. If cosec is given here also you can do. Cosec you change sec, then sec 90 minus in bracket a minus 20. Because of two term I am taking one term value. Right side what will be there? Cosec a minus 20 degree. Now you will get both are same trigonometric cosines. So trigonometric cosines I had told in the previous lecture, don't cut it, compare the angles. So 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Transpose 90 plus 20. This minus 4a will go that side. A plus 4a. What are you getting? 9 plus 2, 11. 110 is equal to 5a. Then angle A is equal to 110 by 5. What are you getting? Angle A is 22 degree. It is your answer. Easily you are writing here. Question number 6 you will see. The same exercise, question number 6. Like this, any values will be given, you can solve any values. Here tan, here sine given, here cos given, here cot given, here tan given. Only you change, your question will be changed. Tan, cot, sec, cosec, sine, cos. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? If A, B, C are the angles of a triangle ABC. Question number 6. Then prove that these are the angles of a triangle. If A, B, C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that sine, you want to prove sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This question is given in the book. You can solve the same questions. You can solve the same question when you change the sign. Sign you change tan, here you cot. Sign you change sec, here will be the cosec. Sign you change cot, here will be the tan. R. Sin A plus C by 2 is equal to cos B by 2. If A will be this side, B that side. If A will be there, C will be AB both this side, they can take C that side. So any questions will be formed. Many questions you can form yourself. How will you do it? Solution. How will you prove it? First of all, what is given? Angle A, angle B and angle C are angles of triangle ABC. It is given. Then what will you do? Angle A, so A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Why? What will you write? Angle sum property of the triangle. ASPT. A plus B plus C 180. Half of it. Or you can write half angle A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 is also equal to 180 by 2 by Euclid's geometry that you have seen in the class 9. Half of the equals are also equal. So, here you are getting 90 degree. You get B and C here. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 is here and this will take that side. What you want according to this you manage. It is A by 2. Now which trigonometry you want? You want sine in the B plus C, you take sine both the sides. Taking sine of both sides. Both sides. Sine full name I have written, S-I-N-E. So sine of both sides means sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2. You will get this. You will get the sine 90 minus A by 2. Now you see, what are you getting? Here sine B plus C by 2, both the sides multiply. If you want here cot, multiply taking cot both the sides. Cot B plus C by 2, cot A by 2, cot 90 minus A by 2. Then here you apply the formula sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Means theta is A by 2, cos A by 2, and here what are you getting? B plus C by 2, and hence proved. You have proved what you want. If you want here cosec, here you write cosec both the sides. Cosec B plus C by 2, cosec 90 minus A by 2. You get cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So cosec, so any questions you can form yourself. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given. Express. Question number 7. What is given in the question number 7 that you see? Sin 67 degree and cos 67 degree. Sin 67 degree plus cos 67 degree. Express this in the form of angle between 0 and 45. Trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and this is angle between 45 and 90. You want to express it into between 0 degree and 45 degree. So you write down sine will be cos. Sine will be cos, then the angle will be subtracted from 90. I have told you. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Plus cos will be sine. So angle subtracted by the 90 degree. You will get angle subtracted from 90 degree. You are getting 67.75. Wrong I have written. It is given just both are same angle I have written. Here what will you write? 75 degree. 75 degree. Here also you write the 75. So you are getting sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree into this. Sin convert into cos, then 90 minus 60. Cos into sin, then 90 minus 75. You will get cos, subtract it. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. And it is your trigonometric ratio which both are equal. Cos 67 or sin 67 or cos 23. Cos 75 or sin 15 degree. And your this exercise is over. Like this you can solve the other questions. Now we will study the next topic. So here all of you have seen all the trigonometric ratios you can change in each other form. Any questions, any you can change. Sin into cos, cos into tan, tan into sec. After this you will get the identities, 3 identities I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks for today.